This video is for students and 9-to-5 workers. If you want to earn money, stay till the end. Consider WordPress security. Protect websites from vulnerabilities and set up backups. Experts earn $27 to over $50 per hour. Optimize site speed. This improves loading times. Freelance optimizers can charge $35 to $40 per hour. Create analytics dashboards using Looker Studio, Power BI, or Tableau. Freelance designers earn $10 to $85 per hour. Dive into podcast editing. Transform raw audio into episodes. Podcast editors average $27 per hour. Consider audiobook narration. Bring stories to life with your voice. Narrators can earn $200 to $400 per finished hour. Explore these high-paying side hustles and start earning today. Are you looking for a flexible and profitable tech side hustle? WordPress security hardening and backups offer a significant opportunity. This niche involves protecting WordPress websites from cyber threats and ensuring their data is safely stored and recoverable. With millions of WordPress sites online, the demand for skilled professionals to safeguard them is constantly growing. You will learn to implement robust security measures, perform regular backups, and restore sites quickly if issues arise. To acquire these essential skills, start with online courses from platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or specific WordPress security tutorials. Focus on understanding common vulnerabilities, firewall configurations, malware removal, and various backup solutions. Practice on your own WordPress installations or local development environments to build confidence and practical experience. Once proficient, create a professional portfolio showcasing your expertise and successful projects. Begin by offering your services to friends, family, or local small businesses at an introductory rate to gain initial testimonials. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com are excellent starting points to find clients globally. You can also leverage LinkedIn to connect with potential clients and showcase your specialized skills. Consider creating your own website to market your services, establishing a strong online presence. This side hustle offers the freedom to work from anywhere, set your own hours, and build a valuable income stream. Embrace the journey of becoming a WordPress security and backup specialist, and unlock your potential for financial independence. Start today and transform your tech skills into a thriving and profitable side business. Ready to unlock a powerful new income stream and build a valuable digital skill? Today, we are diving into site speed and core web vitals optimization, a critical skill for any online presence. It's about making websites load incredibly fast and perform smoothly for every user. Google's Core Web Vitals measure user experience, focusing on loading, interactivity, and visual stability. Optimizing these factors directly impacts a website's search engine ranking and user satisfaction. Businesses know a slow website means lost customers and revenue, making this optimization highly sought after. This skill is valuable because it directly contributes to a business's bottom line, improving conversions and engagement. So, how do you acquire these essential skills to become a site speed expert? Start with Google's documentation on Core Web Vitals and Page Speed Insights. It's a comprehensive and free resource. Many reputable online platforms offer courses for web performance optimization, catering to all skill levels. Look for courses covering HTML, CSS, JavaScript optimization, image compression, and server-side improvements. Hands-on practice is crucial. Build your own test websites or optimize a friend's site for experience. Consistency and dedication will transform you into a proficient optimizer, ready for real-world projects. Once skilled, the next step is finding clients and turning your expertise into income. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are excellent starting points for freelancers seeking optimization services. Create a compelling profile, showcase case studies, and clearly articulate your value to potential clients. LinkedIn is another powerful tool for networking and finding direct clients, especially for established businesses. Don't underestimate your personal network. Inform friends, family, and former colleagues about your new venture. With dedication, continuous learning, and strategic outreach, you can build a thriving, high-paying, and crucial side hustle in site speed optimization. Embrace this opportunity to enhance your skills, help businesses succeed, and create a significant additional income stream. Unlock a powerful opportunity in today's digital economy, creating analytics dashboards as a lucrative, crucial, and high-paying side hustle. The demand for skilled professionals who can transform complex data into clear, actionable insights is soaring across industries like finance, retail, and healthcare. Businesses desperately need these visual tools to understand trends, track performance, and make informed decisions, driving significant growth in the business intelligence market. To begin, master data visualization tools like Looker, Power BI, and Data Studio, which are essential for connecting data sources and building interactive dashboards. A strong understanding of data analysis principles is crucial, enabling you to clean, transform, and analyze data to identify relevant patterns and insights. Develop your dashboard design skills to create effective, user-friendly layouts that clearly present data and highlight key metrics for maximum impact. Furthermore, cultivate data storytelling abilities to communicate insights through compelling narratives, explaining the implications of your data visualizations. Online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Udacity offer comprehensive courses on data visualization and specific tools to kickstart your learning journey. Always consult official documentation for Looker, Power BI, and Data Studio for in-depth information and advanced feature understanding. Crucially, build a robust project portfolio with sample dashboards using publicly available data to showcase your skills and attract potential clients. Platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, TopTal, and Freelancer.com are excellent places to find clients and secure freelance opportunities. Create compelling profiles, showcase your best work, and effectively bid on projects to start earning from home. Specialize in a niche, communicate clearly with clients, and consistently deliver high-quality work to stand out and succeed. Examples include web analytics, digital marketing, sales, e-commerce, user retention, and finance dashboards, each offering unique insights. Begin your journey today to leverage your analytics skills and build a successful, rewarding side hustle creating dashboard. Are you searching for a flexible side hustle that leverages your creativity and offers significant earning potential from anywhere? The world of podcasting is booming, creating a high demand for skilled individuals who can transform raw audio into polished, professional episodes. This is not just about editing. It's about helping creators launch their voices, manage their content, and reach a global audience. Podcast editing and launch setup is a highly sought-after skill, perfect for those looking to work remotely and build a thriving freelance career. So, how do you get started in this exciting field? The first step is mastering the essential tools. Software like Audacity, a free and powerful audio editor, or Adobe Audition, an industry-standard professional tool, are crucial for cleaning up audio, removing noise, and enhancing sound quality. For creating eye-catching cover art and promotional graphics, Canva is an invaluable resource, offering intuitive design capabilities. You can learn these skills through various online platforms. YouTube offers a wealth of free tutorials for every level. For structured learning, platforms like Skillshare and Udemy provide comprehensive courses taught by experts, guiding you from beginner to advanced techniques. Once you've honed your craft, the next step is finding clients and turning your skills into income. Freelance marketplaces like Upwork and Fiverr are excellent starting points. Create a compelling profile showcasing your expertise and portfolio. Actively bid on projects that match your skill set, starting with smaller tasks to build your reputation and gather positive reviews. Don't overlook dedicated podcasting job boards and online communities. These niche platforms often connect you directly with podcasters seeking specific services. 14 networking within podcasting groups on social media can also open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Remember, consistency and quality are key. Deliver exceptional work, communicate effectively, and continuously refine your skills. With dedication, podcast editing and launch setup can become a rewarding and profitable side hustle, offering the freedom and flexibility you desire. Are you searching for a flexible and rewarding way to earn income from the comfort of your home? Discover the exciting world of audiobook narration and mastering, a side hustle with immense potential. This dynamic role involves transforming written text into captivating audio experiences, blending both vocal performance and essential technical audio production skills. As an audiobook narrator, you will bring stories to life with your voice, while mastering ensures the audio meets industry standards for quality and consistency. To excel, aspiring narrators should regularly practice reading aloud, focusing on clear articulation, varied pacing, and distinct character differentiation. Essential technical skills include learning audio editing software, with free options like Audacity providing an excellent starting point for beginners. Understanding mastering techniques specific to audiobooks is crucial, such as meeting industry standards for loudness, typically -18 dB to -23 dB RMS for platforms like ACX. Noise reduction and ensuring consistent audio quality throughout your recordings are also vital components of professional audiobook production. Finding work begins by building a compelling portfolio of sample narrations that showcase your vocal range and technical proficiency. Popular platforms like ACX or Audiobook Creation Exchange connect narrators directly with authors and publishers for various project types, including royalty share opportunities. Upwork and Fiverr are also excellent platforms where you can offer your services, set your own rates, and bid on a diverse range of narration projects. These platforms empower narrators to showcase their unique skills and connect with a broad spectrum of clients seeking professional audio talent. The demand for audiobooks continues its significant growth, making this a truly promising, helpful, high-paying, and profitable side hustle for those dedicated to developing their craft. Embrace this opportunity to transform your passion for storytelling into a fulfilling and profitable work-from-home career. The choice is yours, but here is the secret. Don't just watch and move on. Pick one hustle. Dedicate the next 30 days to it. Learn, take action, and see what happens. Drop a comment below. Which hustle are you starting first? Start small, stay disciplined, and remember, every expert was once a beginner. So which side hustle will you start today? If this video was helpful for you, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the next video.